Hello everyone. Today we will be farming the Starknet Airdrop. So there's a Dapps on Starknet called MYSWAP. They are having their NFT quest where we can do certain tasks and get an NFT from MYSWAP. So simultaneously we are getting a chance to get two airdrops, one from the Dapps which we are using MySwap and the other one from the Starknet mainnet. So the first task is to share a post on Twitter. The second task is to check the stats on the MySwap webpage. The third task, which is the main task, is to provide liquidity worth around 0.02 ETH on the MySwap net DApp. So we will be doing a swap. We will be providing liquidity using ETH and USDC. So I'll be swapping all the DAI which I have to USDC. When I swapped them, I had around $7, so it became 15. So 15 is not sufficient enough to provide liquidity on 15. 15 from USDC and 15 from ETH won't make it 0.02 ETH. So I'm swapping 0.01 ETH to USDC, which is around $18, and we'll be providing confirm the transaction. So once we provide 20 USDC and 0.0 E, it is over 0.02 ETH which we have to provide minimum. So our liquidity is added to the pool. So the other website which has launched is Spock, is Unframed. So most of the people have gotten this NFT for free, but I had missed this opportunity, so I am buying this from secondary. So this may be one of the criteria for getting airdrop from Argent. So I did that and bought it for $1. Yesterday we provided liquidity and we had to wait. We have to wait for 2 to 3 hours for the web page to get updated. So once you can see the claim button, you have to claim the NFT and then sign the transaction for the NFT to get credited into your wallet. So you can check that the new NFT has been